You can learn Amazon FBA for completely free, or better yet, get paid on how to learn it. I wanted to make this program so affordable, so I've actually designed it on where you can earn money while learning how to do Amazon FBA. For every person who joins the community from your affiliate link, you'll earn $60 a month for life. So let's run the numbers. When you invite 3 friends or people you know and they join the community, that adds up to $180 a month for you. And considering it costs you $149 a month to learn how to do Amazon FBA, you'll get paid $31 a month to learn. Yeah, you're hearing that right. Now let's take it up a notch. That's not the only benefit. More members in the community means more resources, knowledge, and networking to chase that remote freedom one step sooner. Nonetheless, why create a remote income alone? The goal should always be to create a location-independent income to make money around the world with family, friends, or people that you know. So let's take a look to see how it all works. It's much smoother and simpler than you can imagine. School's affiliate program is done all on the platform, and it's all automated. When the member you referred uses your affiliate link to sign up, which you can find right here, then you'll get paid into your school balance every single month. All you have to do is link an account to get paid out to, and there you go. You'll be on your way to getting paid to learning how to do Amazon FBA. I wanted to create a solution to every hurdle in your remote freedom journey, and the paying to get educated one is all taken care of. Now, get your remote income journey started with Amazon FBA by clicking here. So I'll see you in the inside.